everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Big Leap. Today we are again in the special lockdown situation and in special extraordinary conditions which we all work from home. We hope all of you are safe, healthy, taking care of yourselves and your family and being productive from home. Today we have our next edition of Big Leap with a very dynamic duo of father and daughter from Ahmedabad. We have today with us Ms. Anjali Patel and Mr. Nitin Patel of FinFreedom 33 Wealth Management India from Ahmedabad. It's a very interesting organization started by Mr. Patel almost 2 decades back when he came into this industry. He completed his CFP in 2009, has been in the business of financial advisory and intermediary and distribution for the last 20 years. He has been an active Rotary member, a cricket player, and he lives in probably one of the best locations we have seen in Ahmedabad right now. In lots of greenery. So hope you are well. Thank you, sir, and both of you for joining for this episode of The Big Leap. I will start by for you to tell us about on two things. How did you start the mutual fund journey? And more importantly, I know, but I would like you to share with the viewers that why did you name your firm FinFreedom 33? Because there's an interesting story to that.
मैं आपकी शुरुआत इस तरह से करूंगा कि 1982 में जब मैं 12वीं में पढ़ता था से मुझे मेरे फादर के फ्रेंड ने शेयर मार्केट का इन्वेस्टमेंट का चस्का लगा दिया था। और बाद में इंजीनियरिंग ज्वाइन किया तो इंजीनियरिंग के टाइम पे बहुत सारी स्ट्राइक होती थी कॉलेज में, तो वो टाइम पे भी मैं शेयर्स का इशू करता रहता था, सीखता रहता था। 87 में इंजीनियरिंग खत्म हो गया तो 87 से 99 तक मैं इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में रहा। बट ये 12 साल में मैं जितना भी कमाया, मैंने जो भी जॉब किया, फॉरेन में गल्फ में काम कर रहा था, आई इन्वेस्टेड ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ माई इनकम इनटू स्टॉक मार्केट डायरेक्टली। म्यूचुअल फंड इतना पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ करता था, बट समहाउ कुछ अट्रैक्ट नहीं किया था मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, डायरेक्ट इक्विटी कर रहा था एंड अच्छा पैसा इकट्ठा हो गया था। इन 1999 मैंने सोचा कि इतना अच्छा वेल्थ हो गया है कि सोते डिविडेंड से घर चलने लगा है तो एक बार काम छोड़ देते हैं और रिटायरमेंट ले लेते हैं। टाइम पे मेरी एज 33 थी, तो फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम 33 एज में कर लिया। एंड देन मेरा फ्रेंड बोलता है कि नितिन तू पागल है, इंजीनियरिंग का फील्ड छोड़ के ये धंधे में कैसे आ जा रहा है, म्यूचुअल फंड के धंधे में। तो मैंने बोला भगवान ने हमको करोड़पति बनाया ये स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करके, तो हम लोग 100 लोग को करोड़पति बना के जाएंगे। एंड लास्ट मंथ हमारा जो क्लाइंट बेस जो है उसमें वी हैव क्रॉस 100 करोड़पतिस विद अस। वाओ। So in last 20 years, whatever my goal in 99 that we have achieved even this year only itself.
Okay. तो ये करते वक्त सर कोई इम्पोर्टेंट माइलस्टोन था आप लोगों के लिए? अंजलि, I know you actually started with Mirae Asset in 2008. That was one of the initial time when you started working with us. Is there anything specific milestone you have seen during this period for the last 10 years? I know sir has been in the business now, he's talking about from 82 onwards. Most of the लोगों को तो उस टाइम शेयर बाजार के बारे में पता ही नहीं, याद ही नहीं होगा आज 2020 में 82 में कैसा बाजार लगता था। But what do you think you have seen when you have seen the business for the last 10 years? आपको कैसा लगता है कि how has this business been?
So I finished my engineering in 2016, and then 2017 January I went to the United States for my masters. And when I was about to graduate, 2 months before that, I was having a conversation with my dad that should I come back to India or should I stay over here in the States? And during that time, we had a very heated argument. He was telling me to come back because the growth in India was obviously in specifically in mutual funds industry has beat most of the developed countries. Sure. So he was asking me to come back, join the firm and lead the firm, as the front face. And then I got to think that, yeah, obviously if I stay in the United States, I'll have to create a base, and then the generation after me will be able to enjoy what I'm already enjoying in Ahmedabad right now. Okay. So after getting a good base here, I think I'm enjoying this field because first of all, I love this field. My passion lies in this field, and the growth in this industry is remarkable because even during this lockdown, we are able to work.
Absolutely.
Have closed down. That is one of the best aspects of this industry. So yeah.
See, in continuation with this Anjali's conversation, let me tell you, I have good experience, and she's leading the technology. Anjali arranging 3 to 4 meetings, video meetings or audio meetings and phone calls. So, it's a very good combination for us.
So, sir, you have seen the business for the last 20 years. And there have been a lot of changes on the regulatory side. How have you seen the past in terms of change from regulation, from rules, or the business landscape? And how do you see the growth going ahead in this line of business?
See, in India, मैंने देखा है कि we have one of the best regulatory system and बहुत अच्छे changes लेके आए हैं. अभी मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि जैसे क्रिकेट में पहले 5 दिन का मैच हुआ करता था. डिफेंसिव प्लेयर अच्छा प्लेयर था गिना जाता था. देन ग्रेजुअली 50 वनडे का आ गया, 50 ओवर्स की मैच में उसे सेट कर लिया. फिर ग्रेजुअली 20 मैचेस आया तो वो उसके लिए सेट हो गया. तो हमारा रोल ऐसा है, बैट्समैन के जैसा है कि रेगुलेटरी चेंज तो आते रहेंगे क्योंकि वो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रेगुलेशंस अच्छा दे आर ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल कि कुछ गलत नहीं हो. जैसे कि पहले था रिडेम्पशन करते थे, थर्ड पार्टी रिडेम्पशन देते थे, बट अभी बोल दिया है कि रिडेम्पशन तो क्लाइंट के अकाउंट. इट्स गुड रेगुलेशन. पहले थर्ड पार्टी चेक भी लेते थे, वो भी बंद कर दिया. क्या होता था, कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर गलती से किसी का चेक किसी में लग गया तो मिस्टेक होने का चांसेस था. बट सो एवरी टाइम रेगुलेटरी चेंज आर गुड फॉर द इंडस्ट्री एंड वी आर डेफिनेटली लुकिंग एट द ऑल द चेंजेस. बट साइमल्टेनियसली हम लोग वो चेंजेस के साथ में एडप्ट इमीडिएटली कर लेते हैं. हमारी बैटिंग स्टाइल को चेंज कर देते हैं एंड वी आर एडजस्टिंग टू द रेगुलेशन वेरी फास्ट.
So during this last so many years, what do you think have been your wealth creation mantra that client को ये देना ही है या this is how we will manage it? What has been your key deliverable to the clients?
See, client को मैं एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि जब आप फ्लाइट में बैठते हैं तो फ्लाइट में जब आप सेट हो गए, दरवाजा बंद हो जाता है तो एक अनाउंसमेंट होता है. वो एयर होस्टेस अनाउंस करती है कि आप आपका एयर मास्क चेक कर लीजिए, आपकी एयर बैग चेक कर लीजिए, ये चीज और ये कैसे यूज करने का सब. एक्जैक्टली वी टीच अवर क्लाइंट्स लाइक दिस. आप आते हैं, आपके पास प्रॉपर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज है कि नहीं, टर्म इंश्योरेंस है, डू यू हैव प्रॉपर मेडिक्लेम और नॉट, इमरजेंसी फंड्स और नॉट, डू यू हैव some and then now we are ready to take off. So even I will never allow you to withdraw money.
Okay.
If you want to get down in between, I will not allow. I will not open the door. So first you plan, first you check your all security systems, whether you have emergency fund. Now my clients are enjoying because we have created emergency fund for them. We have given them proper insurance plans, so they are not worried at all. So exactly we are comparing our industry like airlines. We'll open the door when the destination comes. Till that time in between we will not open the door.
No, sir, it's a lovely thing because in today's scenario, in the lockdown situation, the most asked for thing right now being talked about with advisors and clients is emergency fund.
Yeah.
Now, no longer is the discussion about what is the return looking like, what is a mid cap, should I look at mid cap, small cap and others. Now everybody is talking about, do I have funds for any emergency situation at my home, which was not the case earlier. And what you are talking about is very true, that people are realizing the whole requirement of investing as per goals and having your backup plans ready. So, sir, Nitin sir, a lot of people who watch this program are from advising, from the mutual fund fraternity, advisors, distributors. You have been in the business for 20 years. You have seen stock market before that also as a share investor. What would be your advice to people who look at this as a profession?
Sir, we teach our clients. We educate is our only motto. We educate clients. If those who are investing with me since last 20 years, मेरे client को 90% उसका knowledge मेरे other competitive distributor से ज़्यादा होगा मेरे client के पास.
Okay.
मतलब क्या है कि we educate them. Whatever questions they ask, we give them in details explanation.
Okay.
And what happens? Like it is that when MBBS doctor wants to get surgery, he will go to surgeon only. He will not do himself.
Yes.
Education, not teaching them that we need a consultant.
Okay.
People are thinking that if I educate my client, he will do on its own. It is not like this.
Absolutely.
So we are always ahead of our clients because we have a good experience in this field.
Okay.
So education is playing a major role in this industry.
Okay.
We learn from AMCs, we learn from the distributors, we learn from everywhere, and then we pass it all our knowledge to our clients.
Okay. So Anjali, as a new age advisor, when you look at the market, when you look at new investors you are talking to, what sort of opportunity do you see for the profession going ahead?
Okay, so during this COVID times, a lot of younger generation realized that they, as soon as they get some funds, they buy a new house or something. But now they've realized that retirement planning should be the first planning, because in these 21 days, a lot of EMIs have been bouncing, a lot of people's SIP have started bouncing. So they need to have a purpose, which at least for 6 months, they have something planned in their liquid funds from where they can run their house, pay their EMIs and everything. So during this time, I personally feel that people have realized that having some liquid amount of money in their liquid funds is very essential.
Sure.
The potential of Indian mutual fund market is very high during this time, because India's market is developing, whereas US economy has already been developed. So 20-30 years down the lane, India will be standing exactly where US is standing as of now. Okay. So I personally say that, India has very good potential in terms of mutual fund industry.
Sure. So Nitin sir, my last question is to you is that today we are in a very specific, in an emergency sort of situation, that today there is a virus which is there out in the country. Most of the businesses are shut. But how do you look at that this sort of a scenario will change this profession going ahead? Or how do you look at investors changing going ahead when it comes to the lockdown situation once we get out of this? So what is your long-term view? How do you see this business changing? Or you yourself doing business, do you see any change in that?
See, in this industry, we have adopted mutual fund utility platform 4 years ago.
Yes.
We were insisting each and every client, old clients and new clients, that it is mandatory if you want to invest through us, you should have this all email and mobile facilities available. And some were initially refusing, but now gradually 100% client, our 100% transaction is through MF utility platform. The benefit of this platform,
yes.
Now during this lockdown, our purchases, returns, all are sailing very smooth, right? So now our clients will realize we had never thought of this situation, but now if they want money, they can withdraw it. If they have surplus money, they can invest it, and everything is available. The best part of this COVID-19 situation, the learning lesson in our industry, everybody can work wherever they are. Like even fund managers can work from his home.
Absolutely, you are right.
Distributors can work from their home. Our clients can, whether they want money or they want to invest money, they can do it from home. And it is the great opportunity. Everybody, now this industry has the least effect of this COVID-19 situation, I can say. Least affected industry, I think. Because everybody, this platform has created a miracle for us. So in fact, I was discussing with our colleague distributors, and I was telling them that you use any platform, whether NSE, BAC or even MF utility, but you have to use the platform. So now they are calling me, and they are switching their clients to this platform. It's a fantastic situation, and everybody has learned a good lesson.
I totally agree with you, sir. I think what you have said is so right, that today when you have invested in that, in your process of having that digital platform, your client is very comfortable with you, because if he needs money, you are available.
Yes.
And it is a matter of fact that at the time of such troubled times, if the advisor of the distributor or the intermediary is standing with the client, a lot of things will be noted for the future. That मैं अगर नितिन जी के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को उन्होंने टाइम पे पैसा दिलाया, और क्या चाहिए इसमें?
Yes. In fact, लोगों की अहमदाबाद में कोई certain big shots की नौकरी थ्रेट में थी, गई है किसी की, उसकी वाइफ कमा रही है, तो few months के लिए है, पैसा नहीं आता है, तो we can stop SIP for the few months. I tell them, अगर आपने बंगलो लिया होता या फ्लैट लिया होता तो आप पोस्टपोन करते हैं, बट आपका वो लायबिलिटी खत्म नहीं होता EMI का, जबकि यहाँ SIP में आप थोड़ा टाइम वापस चालू कर सकते हैं. All the facilities, whether I am in India, I am in Europe, I am in US, I have all the clients. It is a cloud-based software. So anywhere we can do transact. It's a very good situation.
I totally agree with you. So thank you so much, Nitin sir and Anjali, for this. We wish you all the best. We have deeply learned, benefited from this association. We look forward to better times going ahead. We wish in Freedom 33 all the very best from Mirae. Thank you for being a part of this episode and sharing
Thank
your
you,
thoughts. I'm sure everybody will be very happy to hear you. All the best to both of you, and take care, and we'll meet again soon. So thank you, viewers, for this episode. You have heard the father and daughter talk about the past and the future and how the digital is helping them being more productive in these difficult times. So take care, and thank you for watching this episode. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.